So in this class, we discuss exercise 5.5, 16, 17 and 18 problems. Right, question number 16. Find the derivative of the function given by f of x equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power of 4 into 1 plus x power 8 and hence find f dash y. So first find f dash x, next f dash y. So first differentiate. So here given f of x is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power of 4 into 1 plus x power 8. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of f of x is f dash x is equal to. So derivative of 1 plus x square. So it is logarithmic differentiation marking. So take log on both sides. So take log on both sides. So log of f of x is equal to log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x to the power of 4 plus log 1 plus x power 8. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log f of x is equal to 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x in f dash x is equal to derivative of log 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x plus derivative of log 1 plus x square is 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x plus 1 by 1 plus x power 4 into derivative of 1 plus x power 4 is 4 into x to the power of 3 plus 1 by 1 plus x power 8 into derivative of 1 plus x power 8 is 8 into x power 7. So therefore f dash x is equal to f of x into, what is f of x? 1 plus x into 1 plus x square 1 step. That is f dash x is equal to f of x into 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power of 4 plus 8x power 7 divided by 1 plus x power 8. So now substitute f of x. Here what is f of x? 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power of 4 into 1 plus x power 8 into 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube divided by 1 plus x power 4 plus 8x power 7 divided by 1 plus x power 8. So this is f dash x. So put x is equal to 1. So we get f dash 1. F dash 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 by 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1, put x is equal to 1, 2 by 2 plus 4 by 2 plus 8 by 2. 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 the 2 4 the 2 2 cancel. So that is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 to the 16 into, so 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. That is 16 into, so take LCM or 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 3 7. So that is 16 into 1 by 2 plus LCM is 2. So 1 plus 2 7 are 14. So 2 1 are 2 8 are. So that is 14 plus 1 15. 15 into 8 120. So therefore f dash 1 value is 120. So this is the question number 16. Next question number 17. Question number 17. Differentiate x power 5. Question number 17. Differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9 in three ways. In three ways mentioned below, by using product rule, by using expanding the product obtained by single polynomial, and by logarithmic differentiation. So they all give the same answer or not. So first differentiate using product rule. Let y is equal to, so first one product rule, using product rule. Let y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx using product rule. So this is u, this is v. First function into x square minus 5x plus 8 into derivative of v, that is 2x plus 7, plus second function x square plus 7x plus 9 into derivative of first, so 2x minus 5. So simplify this, that is 2x into x square, 2x cube minus 10x square plus 2 8 are 16x plus 7x square minus 35x plus 56. Next, plus 2x cube plus 2 7 are 14x square plus 2 9 are 18x minus 5x square minus 35x minus 45. So 2x cube plus 2x cube, 4x cube minus 10x square plus 7x square minus 3x square minus 3 plus 14 plus 11x square plus 11x square 16x minus 35x minus 35 minus 35 minus 70x. Next is 16x plus 18x. So 18 plus 16, so 34x plus 34x. So the difference is minus 36x. Next, plus 56 minus 45. So 56 minus 45, so plus 11. So this is dy by dx by using product rule. Second one is by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. So final answer 4x cube plus 11x square minus 36x plus 11. Second one, obtain a single polynomial. Second one is by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. Second one, let y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9. So multiplying these two, we get a single polynomial. So first multiply x square into x square, x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 8x square. Next, 7x cube plus 7x cube minus 35x square plus 56x plus 9x square minus 45x plus 72. That is x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 7x cube, that is plus 2x cube plus 8x square plus 9x square. So 9 plus 8, 17x square minus 35 x square. So that is 50 plus 7, 15 minus 7, 8. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so minus 18. So minus 18x square. Next, 56x minus 45x, that is 11x. So after multiplying, so we get a single polynomial. x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 8x square plus 11x. This is the y. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube plus 2 into derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 18 into derivative of x square is 2x plus 11 into derivative of x is 1. So that is 4x cube plus 6x square minus 36x plus 11. X square, sorry. So this is x cube minus 18x square, x cube minus 5x cube plus 7x cube, that is 2x cube. So this is the answer. Next, using logarithmic differentiation. Using logarithmic differentiation, third one. Answer is 4x cube plus 6x square minus 36x plus 11. Right, using logarithmic differentiation, third one. So take log on both sides. Log on both sides. Log y is equal to log a into b. Log a, that is log x square minus 5x plus 8 plus log x square plus 7x plus 9. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log y is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of log u, that is 1 by x square minus 5x plus 8 into derivative of x square minus 5x is 2x minus 5 plus derivative of log u, that is again composite function, x square plus 7x plus 9 into 2x plus 7. So dy by dx is y into 2x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 8 plus 2x plus 7 divided by x square plus 7x plus 9. So what is y? X square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9. You take LCM, x square minus 5x plus 8 into x square plus 7x plus 9 in LCM. So that is 2x minus 5 into this one, x square plus 7x plus 9 plus 2x plus 7 into, so this one, x square minus 5x plus 8. So these two get cancelled. So that is 2x cube minus 2x cube plus 14 x square plus 2 9 18x minus 5x square minus 35 x minus 45 plus 2x square, sorry, 2x cube minus 10x square plus 16x plus 7x square minus 35x plus 56. That is 2x cube plus 2x cube, 4x cube plus 14x square minus 5x square. So that is 9x square. 9 plus 9 minus 10 minus x square plus 7, 6x square plus 6x square. 18x minus 35x plus 16x minus 35x. So we get minus 36x plus 56 minus 45, that is plus 7. So this is the, see in all the cases, first one answer, second one answer, third one answer, so we get the same. In all the cases, we get the same answer. So this is the conclusion. Last one, question number 18. Question number 18. If u, v, w are functions of x, then show that d by dx of u into v into w is equal to du by dx into v into w plus u into dv by dx into w plus u into v into dw by dx in two ways. First, by repeated application of product rule. Second, by logarithmic differentiation. So prove that this one by using product rule and by using logarithmic differentiation. Question number 18. Let y is equal to u into v into w. First one, using product rule. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of u into v into w. So your vw one function, u is another function. So product rule, u into, so take this one is first function, so this is second. So using product rule, so dy by dx is equal to u into dvw by dx plus second function v into w into du by dx. That is u into, using product, again product rule, u into v into dw by dx plus w into dv by dx plus du by dx into v into w. So multiply this dw by dx into u into v plus dv by dx into u into w plus du by dx into v into w. So by rearranging the terms, du by dx, first take this term, so du by dx into vw plus dv by dx into u into w plus dw by dx into u into v. So this is the dy by dx. Derivative of u into v into w is equal to derivative of u with respect to du by dx into vw plus dv by dx into uw plus vw by dx into uv. So that is using product rule. Using logarithmic differentiation. So let y is equal to u into v into w. So take log on both sides. Log y is equal to log u plus log v plus log w. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log y is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of log u is equal to 1 by u into du by dx plus 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx. So dy by dx is equal to y into 1 by u into du by dx plus 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx. So what is y? U into v into w into 1 by u into du by dx plus 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx. So multiply uvw into 1 by u get cancelled. So du by dx into vw plus v get cancelled, dv by dx into uw plus ww get cancelled, dw by dx into uv. So this is the result using logarithmic differentiation.